How to change location on X or Twitter account. Whether you are traveling, moving, or just want to customize your content, updating your location on X can help you see more relevant tweets and trends. In this full guide, I'll show you how to change your location on X step by step. Let's dive in. Launch your X app. You land to the home page. Now click on the profile icon. Click on the option of settings and support. Navigate to the option of settings and privacy. Now head over to the option of your account. Then click on the option of account information. Now click on the option of country. From here you can easily make changes to your location. Go ahead and select the location that you want to set for your X account. Browse through the list of available locations and select the one you want. This change will update the trends and content shown in your Explore tab based on the selected location. And that's how you change your location on X. Updating your location helps you stay connected to local trends, content that matters to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.